how long will taxpayers need to carry this burden called PIA? It's time to sell it and relieve the few Pakistani taxpayers.
PIA should not be sold out. The government should have a role in public transport, air or road. Otherwise the Seths will buy out the country and exploit common people like they always do.
Sell it. The government has proved, despite many attempts and billions being lost, that it is incapable of putting things right.
Put technocrats on key posts, revoke exemptions to VIPs, reduce cost per flight, cut salary expenses.
As an employee of PIA working for the last 22 years, it's my wish that PIA be privatized. The employees are ready to work under a private boss because then there would be no favoritism. Our salary will be boosted to 100%.